Hello, I'm Aradhya. Today I'm going to be showing you what happens when you sneeze. So first, you breathe in a bit of dust. Then you feel a little tickle in your nose. Your nose sends a signal to your brain that it feels a bit of dust inside it. So it wants to clear it out. So the brain gives a message to your muscles for help. Then the muscles push and push for the dust to come out from your nose. So then you close your eyes, open your mouth, and then you achoo, you sneeze. The dust comes out and there's no more tickle. Thank you.